In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of tasks on ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful productivity tool that lets you manage your tasks in a visually appealing and organized way. Learning how to change the color of your tasks can help you quickly identify categories or priorities, making your workflow even more efficient. Let's dive in. First, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp account. Once you're in, head over to your workspace where your tasks are located. This is usually the main screen you see after logging in. From here, look for the task list that you want to modify. Depending on your setup, this could be a list view or any other view you've customized. Hover your mouse over the task you want to change. You should see a small paint bucket icon appear towards the right of the task name. Clicking this icon will bring up the color palette. This is your main tool for choosing a new color for your task. The palette has a wide range of colors, allowing you to pick one that best fits your needs, whether it's for prioritization, categorization, or just personal preference. As you explore the color palette, feel free to click different colors to preview how they look next to your task. Don't worry if it's not exactly what you want on the first try. You can always change it later. Pick a color and the task will automatically update to reflect your choice. This change is instantaneous, so you can immediately see how it fits with the rest of your tasks. Now here's a handy tip. If you're color coding based on task type or priority, consider setting up a consistent color scheme. For example, you might use red for urgent tasks, blue for informational tasks, and green for low priority items. This will make it easier to identify your tasks at a glance. If you find yourself needing to recategorize a lot, ClickUp also allows you to apply bulk changes to multiple tasks at once, including color changes. Simply select multiple tasks by holding down the Control or Command key and clicking on the tasks you want to modify. Once selected, click the paint bucket icon, choose your color, and all selected tasks will update simultaneously. Remember, these colors are a fantastic way to personalize and enhance your workflow, making it both effective and visually engaging. Changing task colors on ClickUp is not only functional, but also a dynamic way to keep your workspace lively. That wraps up our guide. I hope you found it helpful and are feeling ready to make your ClickUp workspace as colorful and organized as you'd like. Thank you for joining me today, and happy task managing.